हाँ तैसे यहाँ तैसे. Hi, my name is Rupinder. I am the co-founder of Adventure IIT, and I'm an IIT Bombay alumnus. I passed out in 2009. I've been running Adventure IIT since the last 8 years now almost. And a lot of people ask me कि यार आप पढ़ा क्यों रहे हो? You're from IIT Bombay, you should be doing some tech stuff and all. And my response to that is that teaching is something I figured out is something that I really love to do. I've been teaching since my second year in college. It was initially part-time for a long time, but I've been full-time teaching since 12 years now, and this is something that I absolutely love. My IIT journey, I was actually not the best student in my class. In fact, I remember so many times where I struggled in my JEE preparation. I could not clear JEE in the first attempt. I took a drop to clear it. There were many embarrassing moments in my JEE journey where at one point I was giving an all India test series of a very reputed coaching class, and I got -6 in maths, and the scorecard had come home और उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि आपका JEE में नहीं हो सकता, और मेरा JEE का एग्जाम 2 महीने बाद था. And this was my second attempt. So I got a rank of 3066. I got into IIT Bombay. So I would just say that my JEE journey was not a very typical JEE journey where you go to a coaching class and study and learn and stuff. I did not do regular coaching for most of my JEE journey. मैंने ड्रॉप ईयर में क्रैश कोर्स लिया था एक कोचिंग क्लास का, और वो क्रैश कोर्स ऐसा इंटेंस था कि एक हफ्ते में एक सब्जेक्ट पूरा होता था, एंड आई कुड नॉट लाइक रियली कोप अप विद दैट. एंड आई डिड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स राइट somehow, where I like when I reflect back today, I realize that some of the things I did are exactly what the students that I teach need to learn, and that is related to effective learning. And like I remember, मेरे को एक टॉपिक में दिक्कत आती थी. It's one of the most difficult topics, rotational motion in physics. I just took the theory, I went through it, I looked at every question step by step, और मैंने ना 10 क्वेश्चन मुश्किल वाले जो होते हैं टेस्ट पेपर्स के वो लिए. आई सॉल्व दोस 10 attempted those 10 questions in probably 5 to 6 hours and only got 4 right, but I was really happy because I could solve 4 out of 10. And I realized that it's not about कि आपको कितना फास्ट करना है चीज को, बट आपको कितना इफेक्टिवली करना है वो मैटर करता है. So my journey has been, I think what I take back from that journey is कि effective काम करो, जल्दबाजी में मत करो, काम खत्म करने के लिए मत करो. That helps. Thank you. Okay, that is a tricky question. So IIT Bombay was very chilled. I think I did not really had that inclination to study as much, and I wanted to do a lot more things. That's why I started doing part-time teaching in my second year of college. And I used to participate in sports. I used to spend a lot of time just doing different things other than studying. And I want to add this point that a lot of people have this misconception कि यार IIT जाके ना बहुत पढ़ना पड़ता है. Actually IIT जाने के लिए ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ता है, IIT में जाकर उतना नहीं करना पड़ता. Reason being that आपने जो 2 साल में सीखा है ना IIT जाने के लिए, आप you have built your character into a person who can manage that workload over there. Plus I think one of the most important things that I learned being in the environment of IIT is that workload is not as much as many other colleges, engineering colleges. And this is why IITians get a lot of time to explore new things. And that is why you have so many people who come out of IIT and do startups and many other things, right? And I think that is one of the biggest values that I see of the IIT environment.